What's up, guys? So, been feeling like doing something to the bike. Want to change up the look a little bit. So, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be replacing my desert tank out back to the stock tank. So, right now with this tank, it can hold 5.5 gallons. Super nice for long dune rides. You don't have to worry about running out of fuel or whatnot. But definitely a peace of mind. However, there's some drag races happening. I want to make it a little bit more streamlined, a little bit lighter. Don't really think it matters, to be honest, for my setup, but I also want to install some new lights, and they hit right here. So this has to go so I can fit the new lights and see how they work. So let's see how this goes.